I'm hiding the camera because every time she sees it, she stops talking. What's happening, Dolly? You having a chat? You're having a big long... Yeah? You are a pretty girl. Wow, thank you, Dolly. Oh, you're singing. Oh, pretty song. Kisses. No, microwave. Microwave? Yeah? Thank you, Dolly. You are a pretty girl. You are a pretty girl, Dolly. I'm sorry that I'm not close up. It's just if I go close up with this phone, she'll stop talking. Oh, we might get a little sneak peek of her beautiful tail feathers if she opens them up. Hello, good people. What the heck is that? You meant to say hallelujah when you put your head down. That was a new one. Hello, good people. Hallelujah. What's wrong? Yeah, hello, good people. Hello, Dolly. Good people say hello, Dolly. I tell you that all the time. I say hello, Dolly. And good people say hello. You do. And I tell you that. Did you want the TV up a bit? So she may have noticed that I've got the phone. She plays this thing. She might. Let's see. This is what was happening before. I was standing here for ages. She had a big chat like that. I come over with the phone, and then she just clammed up. She just stopped. I'm not too close. I've actually got the zoom on. I'm sort of about half a metre away. Hey, Dolly, you still don't feel like talking now that I'm up close and personal with the phone? Mine is the phone and she'll seem okay. I don't know. It's just her way. Hey, Dolly, you had a good chat then. You told us everything that you needed to say. Thank you, Dolly. Thank you for our big chat. The good people really do appreciate listening to your little birdie stories. I do. Yes, I do love your little birdie stories. Yeah, hello, Dolly. So bird talk to me. Squawk and talk. I love it. Yeah. Aw. Good girl. That was the first thing I could do when we had I just went like this because I couldn't whistle. But you taught me to whistle, didn't you, Dolly? A little. You're the professional, Dolly. Yes. Alright guys, I'll go because this is turning into an epic. Well, it won't be an epic. Hello, good people. Hi, good people. An epic is more than 3 hours, so there won't be 3 hours of me and Dolly. Maybe I'll do a live soon. Might start off with a bit of knitting and just keep on talking. Get my hours up. That might be a good idea. Get to say good day to you guys live. No bad idea. Alright, I'll go now and I'll pop this video with the other bit. And yeah, So you can see the cage and, sorry, the condo. Dolly's a home, a massive home. And yeah, very happy little birdie.